Here at Victorinox, we believe that being prepared makes life better. To understand why we hold that belief, we have to go all the way back to 1884, the year our founder Karl Elsener opened his cutler's workshop in Ibach, Switzerland. Back then, little did he know that the Swiss army knife he would soon create would become a global icon of preparedness. Not only finding its way into everyday life, but even into outer space. But that's just how life goes. You never know what's coming. And that's exactly why we believe that the best you can do is to make sure you're best prepared for whatever might come your way. To this day, we live up to our legacy as makers of the original Swiss Army knife. And we have made it our mission to best prepare our customers for everyday challenges. That's why we responsibly seek well-thought-out solutions that simply serve their purpose expertly. Why we effectively and efficiently deliver uncompromising quality down to the last detail and pursue excellence in everything we do. And why we deliver reliability and authentically Swiss mastery, so that every single product that bears our famous cross and shield, from our Swiss Army knife and cutlery to our watches and travel gear, is crafted to perfection. And while our core belief might have its roots deep in our history, it's what prepares us best for the future. Being prepared makes life better.